Today you're gonna learn toki. Okay, in Chinese character, kanji, it looks like this, meaning time. Now what does this mean? When? It's not the question, when do you go to, when are you coming? But when, as in, when I left the town, I took my backpack. That kind of when. Describing at that time. Okay? Now it's really straightforward. Okay? This is a noun, meaning if you wanna use it as another noun, like kodomo no toki. Kodomo no toki. Right? So kodomo, child. You wanna use the noun particle here because it's two nouns, right? This is noun also. This is noun also. So noun particle, if I were to briefly explain what this is, this makes the first noun modify the second noun. Okay? Kodomo no toki. Okay? So when I was a child. So kodomo no toki, yoku gameをしました。When I was a child, often よくゲーム、video game をしました。Play. Now, ゲームをする、ゲームをしました。This just means did. Doesn't specifically mean play, but when you want to use play for video games, make sure you use did. Alright? This is how we say. We don't say 遊ぶ, which is play. We use します、する, do for gaming. 遊ぶ is just spontaneously playing in a playground. You don't need an object. 遊ぶ just means play. Okay, this one. Now, it's going to be off the topic, but 遊ぶ is used to play for children, animals, but also hang out for humans, even for adults. You might find it a little funny because if you literally translate how we talk to each other, which is why don't we hang out? We use this one. We use play. Why don't we play? Even for adults. So think of Japanese people as puppies or something because we like to play. Toki, if you want to use it with a verb, you want to make sure you're using a short form. You're using a dictionary form. Okay? I'm talking about instead of ikimasu, okay? That's just the mass form. You don't want to use it. You want to use iku, which is the dictionary form, shorter form. Alright, so 学校に行くとき. Let's quickly locate toki here. 行く here is a dictionary form, okay? This verb has to be a dictionary form. 学校に行くとき、電車に乗ります。電車に乗ります。I take trains when I go to school. 学校 school に is to, if you want to learn about ni here. 行く verb when going 電車 train に again ni is up here 乗ります is to ride or get on. I get on the train when I go to school. Okay? I've said this before, but it helps you. If you're English speaker, it helps you to think backwards sometimes. Getting on the train when I go to school. When I go to school, right? 行く is a present tense. You can use past tense too, of course. So, ハワイに行ったとき、アザラシを見ました。ハワイに行ったとき、let's quickly locate とき here. 行った is when, but it's a dictionary form. 行きました is a mass form, longer form, but you don't want to use this one, alright? とき, if you want to use とき, you want to have dictionary form, shorter one. ハワイに行ったとき、アザラシを見ました。You see, I'm not using longer form. I'm using short form because that's the rule. You want to use shorter form. ハワイに to Hawaii 行ったとき went when. So when I went to Hawaii, アザラシ is a seal を見ました。So I saw a seal when I went to Hawaii. If you live in Hawaii, have you seen the seal? It's a Hawaiian monk seal. Their fur is black. And that's one of the things that I want to see before I die when I go to Hawaii. My favorite animal is azarashi, okay? Seal. Now, you might see animals written in katakana, even human, right? Hito, okay? I don't know why. Katakana is supposed to represent foreign words, but azarashi is Japanese, hito is Japanese. You know, Hawaii has to be in katakana, right? Hawaii is foreign word. But somehow, just animals are in katakana sometimes. And if you look up for the correct name for species, I think they're in Greek or Latin. Forgot, right? So gorilla is gorilla, right? Gorilla. That's the real name for gorilla. Wolf is Canis lupus, right? Canis lupus. It might be Latin, and I don't know. Might be related to Latin. Maybe it's a Latin-ish thing. Anyway, that's it for toki. When you practice toki, I just recommend that you try creating sentences. Maybe that you use. So maybe if you when you go to school, you take a bus. How would you say, right? When I go to school, I take a bus. 学校に行くとき、バスに乗ります, right? Here, dictionary form. 行く. All you have to do is put the dictionary form of verb or whatever you're using. When I go to school, I take a bus. You can recall what you did. Maybe you visited a place. When I went to New York, I ate pizza or something. Right. ニューヨークに行った時、ピザを食べました. Sorry, it's a little dirty. It's a little messy, but New York, obviously. に to 行った when I went to, right? Because you went. I went to New York. I went to New York. Toki here. Pizza 食べました. Ate pizza when I went to New York. Just like that, okay? Best strategy to get better at something is practice. When you learn a new word, keep practicing with the same word. By creating sentences using this one. It's just the same for every other things that I'm teaching on this channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, just subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. It really helps me a lot. And if you have a request, just let me know. If you want to have an online lesson with me, one-on-one, private, I have a link in the description below. You can check it out. And I'll see you in the next one. Until next time.